Hello there. This is Lily, and in this quick little tutorial video, I'm going to walk you through how to add Snapchat filters to existing photos. So let's get started right away. I've got Snapchat open here, and let me explain to you how you can add filters as well as other customizations to a photo you've already taken. I can select the camera button over here in the bottom center, and then tap the two cards on the bottom left to go to memories. Then go to your camera roll, and then let's pretend I want to choose this image and add a few little filters to this. Snapchat does have some limitations on just what you can do with images you've already taken. You could add all sorts of interesting things if you hit the three dots at the top right of the screen and then click Edit Snap. If you press the folded blank sheet of paper symbol over here at the top right, this will show you all sorts of many other choices. You can add your location, interesting creative texts and graphics, and just about everything else, and then you can mention someone, and then you can go ahead and post this on Snapchat. However, you can't apply a filter to the whole picture, but I'll teach you how to get around it. All you need to do now is exit Snapchat and use a photo editor such as Pixart. I recommend Pixart because it's an excellent way to edit photos that are already on your camera roll. All you have to do is tap on the plus button over here, select any photo from your camera roll, and then select Effects over here. There are a lot of really stylish options for adding these filters to your various photos, and some of them are only available with a premium subscription, but there are also a lot of free effects to choose from. And if I exit out of here and after that, return back to Snapchat, you will see this is the original. And then this would be the second picture that I've added the filter to. And then I can tap on the three dots at the top right and go to Edit Snap and add stickers or text or anything I want to it. So, while Snapchat has certain limitations in terms of adding filters and what you can do with images you've already shot, leveraging a free app like Pixart is a fantastic way to apply filters to photos you've already taken and then share them on Snapchat. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe.